Happy morning to all. This is Priyadarshini from Perundurai, Erode districts. I have completed my UG in Bachelor of Electronics and Communication Engineering with distinction in Tamil Nadu College of Engineering, Coimbatore, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. Now, for the past 6 years, I am working as a teacher in various schools. First 4 years experience in Richmond Public School, Sinapuram, and for the past years I am working in Acharya Siksha Mandir VAV Schooling in Erode as a science faculty for grade 5 to 8 and foundation faculty for physics and biology for grade 6 to 8. Now let us see into the nutrition in plants. We all came across the word nutrition in our day-to-day life. Do anyone have this idea? Yes, no issues. I'll tell you what it is. Nutrition means the process of intake of food and its proper utilization of the body is known as nutrition. It is nothing but the energy we obtain from the food. There are certain components present in the food which give us nutrition. Those components are called as nutrients. We have came across carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and then minerals. These items are called as nutrients. So how we get this? There are two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic. One is heterotrophic. What is meant by auto? Auto means self. Hetero means another. Tropic means to feed. So from this statement, it is clear that autotrophic means the organisms which can prepare their own food are called autotrophics. They are also known as producers. Do you know why they are called producers? Because they are the main source for food for other organisms. In turn, heterotrophic means the organism which depends on other organism for food are called as heterotrophic. They are also called as consumers because we consume from the producer, so we are called as consumers. Examples are green plants, unicellular algae, and some bacteria. For heterotrophic, human beings, animals, and non-green plants. Okay, now we will see detailed explanation about autotrophic mode of nutrition. What is autotrophic mode of nutrition? The process by which a living organism can prepare their own food is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. The organism that exhibit this property is called as autotrophs or called producers. Now, for this preparation of their own food, they need certain structures. The most important is photosynthesis. We have heard the word photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to combine. So, plants prepare their own food through the process called photosynthesis. How this photosynthesis happen? There are 4 important essential factors that are very much important to have photosynthesis to happen. The first one is chlorophyll. The second one is sunlight. The third one is carbon dioxide. The fourth one is water and minerals. So chlorophyll. What is this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in the chloroplast of the leaves. Because of this, the plants looks like green. So this is very much plays an important vital role in the process of photosynthesis. How? It traps the solar energy from the sun and it is used to prepare glucose. This is the major work of the chlorophyll. Next, sunlight. Without sunlight, photosynthesis cannot happen. The only process by which a photosynthesis can happen is sunlight. Without the absence of sunlight, photosynthesis cannot happen. Next, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present widely in the atmosphere but in very much less percentage. This atmosphere has to be absorbed by the plants. So, under the side of the leaves, we may see tiny pores called stomata through which the CO2 enters and the O2 releases from the stomata. The next one is water and minerals. Water and minerals are absorbed from the roots to the and it is distributed to all parts of the plants. Without these 4 conditions, the photosynthesis cannot happen. So the formula is water plus CO2 in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose plus oxygen. This is the most important process. With this process, autotrophic mode of nutrition exists. So, heterotrophic means we depend on this autotrophic plants. So, plants are also known as producers, animals are also known as consumers. The importance of photosynthesis: life can exist only with the help of photosynthesis. The next one is the leaves are arranged in certain pattern to trap the solar energy. Once the solar energy is fully absorbed, the photosynthesis can occur properly. The next one is unless until the photosynthesis happens properly, we cannot get required agriculture harvest. The next, this photosynthesis process helps to maintain the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So in simple, we can say without photosynthesis, life cannot exist. So the remaining topics we can see in the next class. Thank you.